All right, so this is to inform you that the Dodge section is actually doc section is actually ending already, and this is the end of it. So we are waiting for the allocation for our token right here. So this is what we need to know before then, and all we need to know right now. So first thing first, if you go to your platform, it is going to look just like this, and you are going to see your ticket collection right here. So if I click on the next, I swap next, I'm going to see catch the or whatever. This is just for prepare us ahead, and this other one was talking about the trading for the sticker and kind of, and that's going to be like 100 dogs, right? This is an NFT. This is just a summary of what the dog is going to like be in the future and kind of, so hence sticker that no one can buy. All right, so oh my god, I want it, right? So this is what we need to know, right? So this is how it look like when you come to your page. So currently on the one I'm using for this particular tutorial, I actually have this particular amount, and make sure you have your wallet connected. Please confirm if your wallet is still connected right here. So let's check out the airdrop checklist. All you need to do before you be able to get this airdrop, then you click on this. All right, so the first thing is for you to join the Twitter handle and also the Telegram handle. So follow the official channel right here. So once you follow the official channel, we are going to prepare your wallet. So for preparing our wallet, we need to have about about little amount of ton into our ton keeper or whatever wallet you are using. So make sure you have that already. And I make a video before now talking about how people are actually getting into a platform to drop their wallet, which is currently not safe. If you are not trusting the particular person or the platform, please do not